When your task is to build a warehouse simulation model in AnyLogic, it is very common that you will need to integrate a stacker crane. A stacker crane is used in automated storage and retrieval systems, or ASRS, and they are very common in automated warehouses. So since this object doesn't really exist in AnyLogic as a native feature, we built it for you. And on this video, we will show a demo on how to use it and how it is used in a demo example. So let's go with it.
Okay, let's watch a quick demo of this stacker crane library. Here we have a 2D visualization of a model that is working with two stacker cranes in parallel, each one with a specific storage. In this 3D view on the left, we have the stacker crane that is storing pallets in the storage and as well is retrieving them in a new conveyor, which is the circular one in the middle. If we go to the right view, we can see this other stacker crane with the yellow axis, and it's storing pallets as well, but is also repositioning them in a specific cell according to the priority or the characteristics of the pallet. And with this front view, we can see both stacker cranes working in parallel, and as you can see, when a pallet reaches the end of the conveyor, the stacker crane is able to take them and positioning them in the storage. Well, let's do a quick review of this library. So we have here the library of stacker crane with this icon, and you can see 5 agents here. The first one is settings SC, which is where you can configure some things or parameters related to the license of this library. Then you have the special agent SC, which is the type of agent that all agents using this library have to be extended from, and you can see more details about all these agents in the blog. We have then the stacker crane, which is this object right here, which corresponds to the animation of the stacker crane. And finally, the move by stacker crane, which is this block that you can see right here. And finally, the fork, which is an agent that you will not have to use. Well, so I have here 2 agents related to stacker cranes. There is stacker crane west and east, and you can see here as well the presentation of each one of these stacker cranes. As well, there is some configurations defined here. You can see more details in the blog if you want, and as well there is the settings SC, which is a single agent as well, and the move by stacker crane blocks. One important thing here is that you can define some actions for these blocks in order to do different things. For example, you can store objects, reposition objects that are already in these storages objects, and you can also retrieve objects from the storage to another position. And it's important to know that you have to use this library with storage blocks of the material handling library that is right here. Well, that's pretty much it. You can run this model on AnyLogic Cloud by clicking the link in the description below.